tell me what we've been doing this week? Let's see, Miss Maddie. What have we been doing with our M&Ms? Sorting it? Yes, we have. Does anyone know what sorting means? Wyatt.
It's where you move groups.
Where you put them in groups? Yes. Can anyone tell me what kind of groups we've been putting our M&Ms in? How did we do it the first day? I know that was a couple of days ago.
I know.
Aiden, do you know?
We put them in the same color.
In the same color, yes. That was really good. Okay, and what did we do yesterday with our M&Ms? What was different about them yesterday? How did we group them? Isabella.
Small and big.
Small and big by size. Can you say by size?
By size.
Awesome job. All right, so today we're going to do it one more time, but we're going to do it by size and by color. Okay, so we're going to go with it on the board, and I'm going to have you guys come up and do it yourself. First, we're going to try doing color on the board, and then we'll add the size in there. So I'm going to give you guys your M&Ms, and I want you to try to group them yourself. There's none up here to start with, so you guys have to try to get them in the colors correctly without anything on the board, okay? So when I give you one, you can take it up to the board and put it on there. And if it's the first color, you can put it on the board wherever you would like. So let's see. Go ahead and take them up on the board and stick them up there. So we're doing it by color. Make sure you try to get them in the right group. Now let's not make them too high so friends can't reach. And once you put yours on there, go have a seat. All right, peace and Rory, go have seats.
This is what, no.
Want to put it on the board?
No. Hey.
All right, I'm going to put yours up there. Have a seat, Ryan. Oh, Christopher, where's the other blue one? There's already some blue ones on the board. Right, put yours up there and then go sit down. All right, Aiden, put yours up there. All right, Isabella, go have a seat. Oh, that one doesn't have a magnet. All right, when you got them on there, Owen, just stick it up there, baby. We're not going to try to make it tall. Put it on the board. Good job. All right, go have a seat. Can anyone raise your hand and tell me if you guys did that right? Let's see. Carson, did all of those groups look right?
Yeah.
Did you guys sort your M&Ms the right way? Those big ones? Awesome. I've got some left, so I'm going to do it. And I want you to tell me if I did it right. Did I do it right? Did I sort correctly? Oh man, okay. Let's see, let's get quiet. I'm going to have someone come find one that I messed up and put it in the right group. Let's see, Aiden, can you come find one of my mistakes and group it for me where it belongs? I put a blue in the wrong spot, didn't I?
And it was this upside down.
Oh, and it was upside down. Thank you. Aiden fixed one. Did that fix all of them? Are they all right now? No. Let's see. John, do you want to come fix one? And Maddie, would you like to fix one? Oh man, I put a green one in the brown spot. And John's going to fix it. John, where does that green one belong?
There.
Over there. Okay, does that look right now?
No.
No. There's one more mistake, right?
Yes, in the
Right.
room.
Let's see. Who's sitting down quiet and ready? Owen, will you come fix my other mistake? Awesome. Now are they all right? Give me a big thumbs up. Okay, now we did the little ones yesterday, right? The small ones. You remember doing that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I'm going to lay a couple on your table. Can you put the small ones with the small ones? And I'll move all the big ones to the spot. Ryan, your table has one. You guys can go put yours on the board. Those are real big, aren't they? No, Piper's table can go too. I know, I'm coming. Hang on. All right, once you put them up there, go have a seat. Okay? It shouldn't take you too long. these, we're just putting all of the small ones on the board together.
I put my
Can you do that? All the small ones in one big group. John, go have a seat. All right, stick them on there. Don't matter how you do it. All right, good job, Christopher. You got your small ones together. Awesome. Owen, go have a seat. Owen, go have a seat. Owen, go have a seat. All right, good job, Miss Lila. Go have a seat, please. Christopher, you got your last one? All right. Go have a seat for me, baby. Good job. Now, how did we just sort those? Can someone raise their hand and tell me how we just sorted those? Let's see. Sadie, how are those sorted? Little and big. So today we're going to do little and big at the same time. Okay? So let's see. If I put these right here and these right here, what's alike about those things? What is the same about those? Let's see. Lila Brown, what's the same about these? Lila Nance, go have a seat, baby. It's okay. What'd you say about them, Lila Brown? They're all orange. So it doesn't matter that one's big and one is little. They're both orange, so they're still the same. So if I do it again and I put that there and those there, are those the same?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why are they the same?
Because they're brown.
They're brown. So even though they're big and they're little, they're the same because they're both brown. So I'm going to do another one and I want you to tell me if I got it right. Okay, is this group right?
No.
No. What's wrong with that group?
They're not the same colors.
They're not all the same color. What colors don't belong in this group?
Blue and red.
Blue and red. So now is it right? I have all green. Okay, cool. We're going to try it again, but we're going to do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to scoot them down a little bit, and I'm going to draw a diagram on the board. We're going to have 3 circles, and they connect. And I'm going to write red, big, and blue. So if this one says big, what do you think is going to go right here in this box? Wyatt, you have your hand up. What do you think is going to go in here?
M&M.
M&M. What kind of M&M?
Big one.
A big M&M. And these say red and blue. So do you think I could put red and blue here, or is red and blue going to go in the other spots?
No.
It's going to go in the other spots, isn't it? So I'm going to put this big one here and this one here. So this, because red cuts in here, see this little circle here? I'm going to make it a different color so we can see it a little bit better. And this one, that loops in with the blue, we're going to pretend our purple marker is a blue marker. So because our circles cross here, I can put my big blue and my big red circles in this one, like this, because they touch. Oh, it's the wrong side. So if I have my big ones right here, what kind of red M&Ms do you think are going to go on this side? Raise your hand. Carson, what do you think is going to go on this side? What other ones do I have left?
Small red one.
My small red ones, because my big red ones are going right here where our circles meet. My little red ones are going to go over here. So if my big blue one goes right here where my circles meet on this side, raise your hand and tell me what sides you think is going to go over here. What do you think is going to go on this side?
Red.
Aiden, what do you think is going to go over here in this one that says blue?
Blue.
The small blue ones. Why do you think the small blue ones are going over here? What do I already have on the board?
Blue.
The big blue ones, right? So I'm going to put my small blue ones. And I'm going to put them right here. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to pass out your M&Ms and your papers. And I want you to keep your hands in your laps, okay? And then wait for instructions. You think you guys can do that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. Okay.
Oh. I already saw that.
guys to get out your pencil from your box, and I would like for you to write your name on the top of your paper. And then you can put everything else away. Graph on your paper, you think the circles kind of look like the circles on the board?
Yeah.
We're going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to pass your M&Ms out. Now, we're not going to take the lids off of them yet, okay? Just leave them sit there in front of you.
What are you doing?
Don't take the lids off yet. Just write your name on your paper and put your hands back in your lap. Isabella, put your hands in your lap. Write your name on the top of your paper and put your hands in your lap, okay? Alright, if you have your name on your paper and your hands are in your lap, can you put one hand on your head? If your name is on the top of your paper and you're ready, can you put one finger on your nose? No. Alright, will you take the lids off of your M&Ms for me? Don't eat them. We'll eat some maybe for snack time. But we don't want to eat these because we'll be touching on them, okay? So once you take the lid off, will you carefully dump your M&Ms out on your paper or in front of it? There's a lot in there this time, so let's be careful. Okay, do you have your M&Ms out in front of you? But listen carefully because I'm going to tell you what I want you to do. The first thing I want you to do is get all of your small blue M&Ms. Can you find your small blue M&Ms? And put them in the circle that has the small M&Ms that are blue. Like we did on the board.
I don't have small ones. I don't have small. I only have three.
Oh my goodness, you have some small M&Ms, but you don't have any blue ones, do you? So you won't put anything over there.
The tall one.
My goodness.
I only have 4 little ones.
Only 4? Easton didn't have any small blue M&Ms, so he's not going to be able to put any small blue M&Ms on his side, is he? So let's see. I'm going to do my graph while you guys are doing yours. And we'll see if we did it the same. So do I have my small blue M&Ms on the right side?
Yeah.
Like you all?
Yeah.
Let's see. Now, if you have all your small blue ones, can you find all of your small red ones? Oh, John, he's already found his small red ones. He knows what he's doing. Now let's see. You guys on your paper.
I got 3 red ones.
Do you? On your paper, you have pictures right here in this box.
Yeah.
How do these M&Ms look different from this one up here? What do you think's going to go here where this red M&M is? Ryan, what do you think's going to go right here?
The big M&Ms.
The big what M&Ms? That's only one color. So what color do you think you're going to put in there? What color are you going to put? Red. So your big red M&Ms are going to go here. So on the side with the blue, what do you think you're going to put in this one?
Blue.
Blue. All right. So find your big red and your big blue M&Ms.
I only have 1 big red blue.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, I found that.
You found one. Awesome.
I have 1 red one. And
You have
3,
1 red one.
I have 3 yellow. I have 3 blue ones. I only have 3 red ones.
Oh my goodness.
I have no red ones.
No red ones? Well, then you won't be putting any red ones on there. Okay, so now what? We've got a big empty spot in the middle of our circle. What do you think's going to go in that middle spot between your big red M&Ms and your big blue M&Ms? Raise your hand. Let's see. Sadie, what do you think is going to go right here in this big spot? The rest of your big M&Ms. Can you put the rest of your big M&Ms, just the big ones, in the middle part of your circle? Oh, Grant, not the blue ones. We've already graphed those. We've already sorted those out. Can you put the rest of your big M&Ms in there? All of them. Because we already grouped the ones that we were going to group. Not the little ones, just the big ones. So the only thing in the middle should be your big M&Ms. And it should be all the colors except for red and blue. Because we've already grouped and sorted our red and blue ones. Miss Sadie is done. She's got hers grouped. I wish I could pick it up and show it to you, but all our M&Ms would fall off of there. Sadie's got hers done just right. Oh, and Maddie and Grant and Carson, you all act like you know what you're doing. Okay, if you've sorted them, and I've come around and I've looked at them, remember how we pick our M&Ms back up and put them back in those cups? You can clean them up and throw them away. Good job, look at that. Oh, Dawn, good job, buddy. You can put yours back in your cup. Wyatt and Lila? Yes. Scoop it up. Let's see, Christopher, how are you doing? Oh, you did it just right. High five, buddy. Brian, you did good. You can clean your M&Ms up. I know there's a lot this time that you guys have to pick up.